Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wherein Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. This video is all about Baratbir Indian Grocery. So we're gonna travel all the way to Olongapo, as well as dito sa Angeles, Pampanga. And yeah, congratulations, newly opened sa Baguio City naman, so meron siya doon. So I think this is one of the, largest Indian grocery chain dito sa Pampanga. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo ko. Tara! Okay, so let's get inside. Tingnan natin yung mga tinitinda nila dito.
Hi! Welcome to Baratbir Indian Grocery.
Moving around, guys, I think this is one of the best place for you to check out kapag naghahanap kayo ng mga ingredients for your Indian dishes. So a lot of you guys got interested with Indian dishes, Indian food. May iba pa nga sa atin, nag-start sila ng mga online selling ng mga Indian food, no? So mga order. So this is one of the best place for you to check out if you're looking for your supplies. So let's have a quick tour, no? So this is their main branch. Again, on this side, dito sa side na to, meron tayong mga cookies, Indian delicacies, sweets. And then on this side naman, lahat ng mga masala ingredients ninyo nandito. So you have for your biryani, sambar. Okay, this is so nostalgic, no? Naaalala kong pumunta ako sa India. So these are very, very abundant doon, and these are available here. On this side naman, so you have peanuts, ghee, very important sa mga Indian ingredients. Indian sauce, yeah, Indian sauce, Indian paste, so many Indian paste, ginger, tomato, garlic, and then on this side, yeah, so this is the Indian pickles naman. For those of you who are looking for this kind of paste, no, this tandoori, this is madras, tsaka tikka. So this is ready mix, no? So ilalagay mo na lang yung meat and then you just cook it around 4 kilos of meat, no? Either chicken or mutton. I-mix na lang to, guys. And then you're ready to go. You can't never go wrong kapag ganito yung mga mini-mix mo sa pagkain. I feel really excited. And on this side naman, meron tayong mga wheat flour. Lahat ng mga ingredients nyo, guys, for your restaurant, for your Indian restaurant, or even for your personal consumption, available sila dito. Coming to this side, we're gonna be greeted with yung kanilang mga Indian tea. So this is authentic chai. And then meron din tayong mga ready to cook. I remember dun sa mga Indian food viral video. So ganito yung mga ginagamit nilang mga noodles. Here, oh. Yeah. And then on this side naman, meron tayong mga ready to eat and ready to cook veggie meat. So for example, for this one, ayan, this is a veggie burger, a veggie franks. So these are soy-based, high-protein, ready to eat, may ready to cook na mga veggie meat. On this side, so meron tayong mga snackers naman. I believe this is one of their best sellers. This is called Tasty. Ayan, Bicano Tasty. And I remember, parang nauso din sa atin 'yung mga ganitong mga sakanami yata. I don't know. I remember, but these are all authentic mga Indian snackers. Now on this side naman, meron tayong mga lentils or yung mga counterpart ng mga munggo for Indians. So they have almost 16 kinds of lentils or yung parang mga munggo. So I know that Indian cuisine is a very rich culture. So iba-iba po yung mga ginagamit nilang mga ingredients, and those are available here. Check them out. Different colors, may black, brown, yellow, pink, green. Amazing. So available yung mga rice dito like this. Look at this. Yan. Basmati. Right. So ayun, guys, pagkatapos nito pupunta naman tayo dun sa Angeles branch nila, and dito sa counter natin, ito yung mga ingredients ng mga biryani. So here is a Bombay biryani, garam masala, of course yung ating basmati rice, and dito, guys, available yung kanilang machine mutton cut na meat. Alright, punta tayo sa Angeles, tara!
Welcome to Baratbir Indian and Pakistan Grocery Angeles branch.
Alright, so again, welcome to Baratbir. This is their Angeles City branch, and if you notice, guys, doon sa first branch na pinuntahan natin, which is their main branch, meron silang pare-parehong theme kung saan nilalagay nila yung mga items natin. At the same time, the look and feel, the ambience, it's all the same para sa mga customers na pumupunta dito, wherever naka-assign yung item nila, alam na nila kaagad kung saan nakalagay yon. So for example, remember guys, so on this side we have our cookies, we have our sweets, and then on this side, meron tayong masala ingredients. Of course, mga basmati rice. Now, moving over flour, more items here. Isa sa mga napansin ko guys, unlike yung conventional or yung stereotype natin ng mga Indian stores na untidy, masyadong malakas yung amoy ng mga ingredients or ng mga spices. Dito guys, sobrang linis, organized. You have your air-conditioned room. It's all clean. Hindi ka mahihirapan maghanap kung saan yung item mo. Ayan guys, so since pupunta tayo ng Olongapo branch nila, dadala tayo ng mga Indian soda. And at the same time, I'm very excited kung ano yung makikita natin doon. Samahan nyo ako sa Olongapo. Tara! Alright guys, so this is the last part of our vlog. Nandito na tayo sa Olongapo City and this is their branch dito sa province na to. So tara, pasok na tayo. Tingnan natin yung mga items dito.
Welcome to Bharat Beer Olongapo Branch!
Ayun nga guys, so nandito tayo sa loob ng Bharat Beer Olongapo branch nila. And as I always mentioned previously, yung lugar nila is napakalinis, napaka-organized. Hindi to yung mga stereotype ng mga Indian stores na medyo untidy, iba yung amoy. Lahat ng mga branches nila, lahat ng mga stores nila, napansin ko, are malinis, mabango, and organized. Stig, ba? And guys, so syempre part ng Indian cuisine are mga desserts. So available dito as of now is yung mga rasgulla. So they have this one, pink rasgulla, a white rasgulla, and then lastly meron silang laddu. So this one I wanna try. Ayun nga, so similar to other stores nila or branch nila, available din naman yung mga frozen goods, no? So sample nila dito yung paneer. So this is parang Indian cheese. This is really good, man. You gotta try it. And then, for sure, maraming naghahanap nito yung kanilang mga veggie meat. Indian, non-Indian. Siyempre, meron na tayong mga vegetarians dito. So, these are available. So, meron din naman tayong chocolate na veggie chocolate. And, of course, meron tayong mga ground gluten, veggie tapa. Again, for sure, maraming naghahanap nito. Lalong-lalo na yung mga vegetarian. Right, so again guys, what a way to end the vlog dito po sa Olongapo City. I'd like to thank Bharat Beer for inviting us, making our viewers know that these kinds of stores are existing. So meron po sila sa Mabalacat, sa Angeles, meron din po sila sa Olongapo and sa Baguio City. So if you're looking for that, spice that you've been looking for, that condiment, that ingredient for your Indian food, make sure to check out Bharat Beer Indian and Pakistan grocery store. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video. Peace out guys, bye!